think we can all agree that navigating through the day-to-day is super complicated right now. No question. And that's if you have a neurotypical brain. But let's say you have a neurodivergent brain, say gifted with ADHD, then pandemics, social unrest, job insecurity, all those distractions add layers of emotions, obstacles, stumbling blocks to ongoing complexities with problem solving, task completion, calendar coordination, budgeting, and general home organizing. Hi, I'm Sherri Curley. I'm also known as the Practical Sort because I provide practical home organizing solutions in an eco-friendly way. I'm also an organizing motivator, speaker, and writer. And I've shared organizing techniques on TV, in print, and frequently I host educational workshops. But let's get real. The specialist here in your life is you. What I am is an expert in living an organized life with ADHD, and I'm also a mom of a daughter who was diagnosed with ADHD at the age of 6. So I understand the difficulties, and I would love to share some of the techniques that I have learned along the way. We'll visit how the symptoms of ADHD impact daily life and look at some really basic techniques for changing the way we think about organizing, along with ways to simplify to make daily existence a tad bit easier. Keep in mind, this is only a 1-hour course, so we are not going to solve all your organizing dilemmas. We are not even going to be able to cure your ADHD. Well, in fact, there is no cure for ADHD right now. But we will look at ways to engage your unique neuro gifts to enhance your strengths, to help you get into the zone quicker and stay there a little bit longer. Does this sound like something that would benefit you, or maybe even a friend of yours? Even if you have not been formally diagnosed with ADHD, you likely recognize the signs and the symptoms, and you are very welcome to attend. Go to the Practical Sort, that's SORT.com/speaking. Again, it's the practicalsort.com/speaking. There you'll find out more information about this course. Any questions? Feel free to contact me at Sherri, SHERRI, at thepracticalsort.com. Again, it's Sherri, SHERRI, at thepracticalsort.com. So mark your calendars, set your alerts. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.